Hey guys, for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a book mockup here in Canva. So first, you're going to open a blank canvas, and then over here at the left side bar, you're going to click on elements, and then you want to search for book frame. And then you're going to click on this frame over here, and then you can adjust it according to the size that you'd like. And after that, you're going to go back to the left side bar, click on uploads, and then click on upload files. And then you want to go ahead and upload the cover of the book. And after it's done loading, just click on the image that you uploaded. And then you want to drag it so that it will be inserted inside the frame. Then if you click on the image, you can click on crop over here at the top so that you can readjust the image so that it will fit inside the frame perfectly. And after you've done that, you already have your book mockup, so just click on share, then click on download so that you'll be able to download it. But if you also want to customize the background, you can also do that. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.